Hey there. Experiencing audio issues while binge watching your favorite shows? If you're struggling with how to fix no sound on Google TV, you are not alone. Audio problems can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to restore the sound and enhance your viewing experience. Step 1. Check your connections. The first step in resolving how to fix no sound on Google TV is to ensure all connections are secure. Start by checking the HDMI cable that connects your Google TV to the television. Unplug and replug the cables to ensure they are properly seated. Additionally, examine your soundbar or speaker connections if you're using external audio devices. Loose cables can often be the culprit behind sound issues. Step 2. Adjust TV audio setting. Next, explore the audio settings on your TV. Start by navigating to the settings menu on your Google TV using the remote control. Within the audio settings, ensure the sound is not muted and the volume is turned up. Also, check if the correct audio output is selected, especially if you are using external speakers or a soundbar. Switching between different audio output modes can sometimes restore the sound. Step 3. Restart your devices. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix technical issues. Begin by turning off your Google TV and waiting for about 10 seconds before turning it back on. Do the same thing with your television. This process can reset any glitches causing the audio malfunction. Once both devices are back on, test the sound by playing any video. Step 4. Update software. Outdated firmware or software may cause sound issues. Go to your Google TV settings and check for any available updates. If there are new updates, install them to ensure your device operates smoothly. Updates often come with patches for technical issues, including audio problems. Step 5. Examine app-specific settings. If you experience sound issues only while using a particular app, check its audio settings. Launch the app and explore its settings menu. Ensure volume levels within the app are appropriately set. Some applications have individual sound settings that might differ from your general TV settings. Step 6. Try a different input source. If the previous steps haven't resolved the sound issue, try playing content from a different source or app. This will help you determine whether the problem lies with the Google TV or specific apps you're using. Stream content from another app or switch from HDMI to native TV apps. This troubleshooting step isolates the cause of the malfunction. Fixing no sound on Google TV can seem daunting, but by systematically working through these steps, you can identify and resolve the problem. Remember, make sure all connections are secure, adjust TV and app audio settings, restart your devices, and keep your software up to date. By doing so, you'll ensure a seamless audio experience as you continue to enjoy your favorite content. If problems persist, consult the Google TV support for more advanced assistance. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing and happy streaming.